Hello everyone, I am back with another video where I am answering the questions you have asked. So the first question have been asked, is my thesis topic and research paper title needs to be same if I have to publish in a Scopus Index journal for my PhD? Yes, there is a criteria in few university where you have to choose a title for your research paper exactly from the thesis, but it need not to be the same title that you have for the thesis and for the research paper. It must be related. If you are taking a theory, you can take some other author with that theory. If you are taking that author that you are taking in your PhD, you can take that author and choose some other theory for your research paper. Second question that was asked about the literature review, how we have to write a review of the literature. Basically, when we go to ChatGPT, it gives us subheadings and then literature review related to that. But whenever we are inculcating review of literature in research paper, there need not to have the subheadings. We directly have the literature review. Minimum 3 of the literature review we need in research paper and maximum 5 of it. And how we are going to choose it? Whatever the literature available on the author, we are going to put that. Whatever the literature put available on the theory, we have to put that. If we are having a much on the author with the same topic, put that literature review. Otherwise, you can take a theory and some other author and you can justify a review of literature. Third question is being asked that I have presented a paper in a conference but they haven't published my paper. Can I publish that same paper in any other journal? Yes, you are allowed to do so. There you presented a paper, you can change a title or with the same title you can publish it. There is a concern whenever you are submitting it to a journal, they say it should not be submitted or published elsewhere. But if you have presented, you have whole right to publish your paper in some other journal. The next one is about what is the difference between research method and methodology. If I talk about the methods are basically the tools that you are used to take survey or collect the data or analyze the data. If I talk about methodology, it is basically why you are taking those research methods, why you have collected the data there, that way your theoretical framework that you are explaining in your this part. Thank you. Whatever queries you have, please drop it in the comment box. Thank you.